Hey guys, it's Mike here with Growing Indoors 365, coming to you from a quick inside the tent scoop, showing you where I currently am in regards to the overall growing cycle. I wanted to show you this process real quick. You know, the last time I made a video not too long ago, maybe a couple days ago, I already had a number of seeds that have already been in the germination stage. A couple of videos ago, I posted about this one specific seed company that I bought from Amazon. The links are down below. And there was a variety, two varieties that I haven't used before. And they literally germinated overnight. Now, I started germinating them on 9/11, literally on 9/12. They were looking fantastic. And this is where we currently are. As you can see here, you might ask, some of you guys that are new to the hydroponic process and maybe even asking why this is up this high. Well, first of all, I've been cleaning all my reservoirs and they're right down here. Everything's already clean, everything is ready. As soon as I'm done germinating on my germination mat, that's also linked down below, put them into this. Let me bring this down real quick. What this is this is a dome that I use when I am in the midst of basically getting the plants ready to transition into the reservoirs. As you can see here, they've been doing fantastic. And let me tell you, they've been down here for about 3 days, 3 to 4 days. I have not taken this off. That's why it's nice and sweaty. And the reason why I kept it on is because I really wanted that moisture on this. And the reality is it's really worked well. Because what happens is you put these guys right under the light and they dry out. As you can see here, they're literally like 4 days into the Rockwell cubes and I already have rooting, which is incredible. It really is incredible. That means that these are super healthy little plants and they're going to be absolutely gorgeous in the upcoming weeks. So I'm super excited. I just want to make a quick video just to show you the process. Now, the reason why I have this up here is because I wanted to get this as close to the light as possible. Now, a lot of people might leave them down here. What happens is when these little seedlings are really trying to reach for the light, they become leggy. I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about this previously. In this case, they would have gotten much higher. The leaves would have been the same. So what happens is you just have a leggier plant. Just imagine the bottom part, the stem part grows higher and then it grows outward. In this case, they're going to be nice, firm, growing outward and staying shorter and just developing outward. That's exactly what you want. And in which case, I took one of my storage bins and I simply put this little tray a little higher, in which case it brings it much closer to the light so they don't have to stretch and fight for that light. That's literally what they're doing. All these seedlings, they are literally fighting for the light. And what happens is they just stretch up and up and up and they get too leggy, they start falling over. That's not what you want to do. The next step here is basically take these reservoirs, get everything set up, put 3 across here, fill them up with water, and I'm going to take you through that process too. Fill them up with water, put all these seedlings in, and watch them grow. Adding nutrients, measuring the pH, it's all coming up here on Growing Indoors 365. Guys, have a great weekend. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the video, and keep on growing.